Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to add a double exposure effect on your video using Capcut. So first, open your Capcut and then add the video that you want to edit. I already prepared this video, and then after that, you need to duplicate the video like this. And on the duplicated video, make sure that you adjust the position of it. Before you adjust the position of it, make sure that you click the overlay button here and then adjust the position as same as the first video. And on the duplicated video, you need to click remove background like this, and then click the custom removal and click the quick brush. And after that, click the image that you want to remove the background like this, and then click finish, and then wait for a moment until the tools finish deleting the background. After you removing the background from the video, you will get this object, and we need to adjust the size of it like this. And after that, go back and swiping left the toolbar, and then click the opacity tools and decrease the transparency of the image like this. And go back on your toolbars again, and then click adjust. Now we need to adjust the brightness like this, decrease it, and on the contrast, increase the contrast, and for the saturation, increase it until the image that you cropped before have the same color of the object on the first video like this. And after that, we can see the result just by now. And you can see that this video is already have a double exposure effect, and that's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.